There are several calls and discussions by certain leaders, both locally and nationally, urging me to join their political factions, and that is the only thing that I will culminate into the dropping of the charges that I'm so far facing in this in the Bungoma court. And I was not surprised today to hear that my friends whom I regarded not to have so much political capital in the politics of Bungoma, having their charges dropped and maintaining mine. And I want to make it very clear that I do not join political factions because of intimidations. I join political factions because of the vision, because of a plan, and with my own concerns. So I am not going to budge. I'm not going to cool down in advancing, insofar as advancing the bottom-up economic model for the hustlers nation is concerned. In fact, I'm going to get more hotter, and that I am ready to be prosecuted up to the end, because I know that political motivated charges have got no basis. They don't have the legs to stand before a competent law or before any competent trial. And with the recent independence of the judiciary that we have seen, I have no doubt that this matter is before the right court. We will go there and argue our case. And at the end of the day, I want to use this case to develop the jurisprudence of this country. That we don't just wake up in the morning, you found a pedestrian on the road, you find a motorist on the road going about his or her business, then you bundle them into a police car with alleging that they were planning to commit felony. Which felony was I planning to commit? And we were jointly together. So why would you drop the charges of some my co-accused maintaining mine? And even though you said that we were facing two charges, one taking fingerprints. All of us were never taken fingerprints because there were no reasons for us to have our fingerprints taken. So while I'm wondering, how this matter is going to proceed, and I'm going to add on my lawyers so that we can have these matters presided over and concluded within the shortest time possible. And I also want to say this. The reason why I am going to stand firm with the Deputy President William Samoei Ruto is because as a region, as a county, and as a community, we must team up with a group of people that through their vision, through their plans, we are going to solve the problem that were created by Raila Amolo Odinga. You know, the Kenya was created when Mumias Sugar died. Everybody, including a 97-year-old child, knows that the person who brought down Mumias Sugar is Evans Kidero and Raila Amolo Odinga. It is in the public domain. So we are going to continue working together with the Hustler Nation to ensure that we correct where Raila Odinga missed this community, so that we can be able to revive our industries, to revive our sugar factories, and put the leadership of this country into a person who is not going to advance this politics of personality cults, but somebody who is going to advance this situation where the running of government doesn't depend on an individual, but the running on a government depends on the proper policies that advances the bottom-up approach.